Hello, everyone. It is Perla Cerrone, double gold consultant, four-time IATAN card holder, and we're going to talk all about Beds Online. Okay. So Beds Online is a really, really cool supplier because you are able to bundle things together and also do some separate things as well. So we'll just kind of get right into it. So you can see you have stays, you have experiences. So this is going to be, activities and excursions. You can do theme parks, transfers, and car rentals. Okay. You are able to bundle all of these things together in one reservation, or you can just do kind of a la carte if you'd like. Okay. If you go to the menu on the left-hand side, you have all of these different features. Obviously, we're on the home, but we're on the home page right now. You can search, you can see any past bookings that you have, any quotes that you have created yourself, any favorites. So you are actually able to favorite some properties or favorite some experiences, or theme parks, etc. And so you can kind of keep all of your things in one place. Um, You will also have access to insights, support, and rewards. So rewards, this is just to kind of show you what that looks like really quickly. This was something I want to say newer that they recently came out with, at least newer for me. But again, very similar to a lot of our other platforms. The more that you use this supplier, the more points that you continue to accumulate, which will then allow you to transfer that to a gift card that you can use. Okay, which is really cool. Okay, so let me just go back to the home screen and let me just show you. Let's say we're going to go to Cancun. Okay. And we're going to just do September 10th to the 16th for two adults. Okay. You do have all of these different options here. You can really edit the or filter the search. So that way you're really only getting the results that you're looking for. For the luxury collection, Beds Online does have their own luxury collection line. That means that it is going to come with some additional perks and benefits. So you have more like of a concierge. You can have the request for early check-in, late checkout based on availability. So there are some additional perks and benefits that come with the luxury collection. So if you have some clients or you yourself want to experience that, again, you can filter your results to show just that. Okay. All right. So let's hit search. And one thing to note with Beds Online, I have compared prices from Beds Online with Evo Plus and Expedia. Majority of the time, it doesn't happen all the time, but majority of the time, Beds Online comes in less than Expedia.com. So not Expedia Top, but Expedia.com, but with commission built in. Okay. Evo Plus, sometimes it will come out cheaper than Evo Plus. Sometimes it comes up right a little bit more than Evo Plus, but then you have that commission built in. So again, it's going to be personal preference here. Okay. So they usually have a lot of great rates on this platform. It's one of my favorites. Okay. So I'm just going to do at the top, the very first one that comes up, Hotel Musai Cancun adults only, just to keep it brief. Okay. And this is obviously at a 50%, 56% discount already, which you guys can obviously price compare with Evo Plus or with the regular.com sites if you want to see how our pricing compares there. Okay. So this is going to be part of the luxury collection, which I'll show you exactly what that looks like and what that means. Okay. So if we go on the left-hand side, obviously now you can filter all of your results to include any one of these things. Um, so if we click view rooms, it's going to show us all of the available rooms for this particular property that are available. Once my computer loads. Let's see. View rooms. There we go. Took a little bit to load. Okay. So the pricing that we see here is going to be based off of a suite with two queen beds. Okay. So if you know that your client wants a king bed or something like that, you can scroll down and you will find the king bed listed there. Okay. Now you're going to see all of the available rooms that they have. Okay. If there's any sale on there, any promotions, etc. So let's just keep it suite one king bed. You can see room details here if you'd like. which again, I always recommend you to get room details directly from the resort website if this is a supplier that you do plan on using. But you do have some photos. Sometimes photos can be good quality, sometimes they can be a little bit blurry, but you guys can get the idea to see exactly what this room actually includes. But again, it's a very brief description. So again, if you want more of a in-depth description, go to the hotel website. Okay. So king bed. And if I look at this price here, if I do a drop down for that particular price, we have a couple options. We have free cancellation until September 6th or free cancellation until September 7th, product for packaging. Both of these prices are a little bit different. Okay. So what I personally do is I always choose the one that has a free cancellation option. Okay. Anything that says non-refundable or no free cancellation, you do have to pay in full at the time of the reservation. So there's really no flexibility there. If you have the option for a free cancellation, like both of these options, you are able to do what's called a book now, pay later. Okay. And that's usually going to be, payment is going to be due a couple days before their check-in. Okay, so it does tell you here 48.15, and if we look at price details and commissions, it's going to pull up a little pop-up for us and show us exactly what the price per night is with their special discount, what net pricing is, and what that commission looks like. So BedsOnline does allow you to manipulate your commission. So if you wanted to completely remove this commission, you could do that if you want maybe to book this for yourself. I personally have done that before. Or maybe you have a client that maybe you're offering some type of promotion or incentive or something like that. You can do that. Okay. So the max is going to be 15%. Okay. It does also tell you that there are taxes and fees payable at check-in, which will be approximately $24. If you do a scroll down, that's just their eco fee, which is typical for a lot of resorts in Mexico. Okay. So let's say we're going to select this first one and I'm going to hit add. Okay. Um, and it's going to load on my cart in just a second. Okay, there we go. So you see now it does allow me to bundle things together. So if I want to do transfers, if I want to do car rental, if I want to do experiences. So let's do experiences really quick, just to show you. So the only thing while this is loading, the only thing that's not included on BedsOnline is going to be airfare. Okay. Now with experiences, you can filter based on the topics or the category, I guess I should say. Let's just say for the very just again time, let's just say that we want to add this one. And again, if you want more details on the experience itself, it will tell you if you click on that experience, okay? So the dates, we will say English, and the pickup time, we'll just do 8 a.m. This will be a shared ATV if we want to do that, or if you wanted to do single, you could do that, okay? And we're just going to do add to cart. Okay. Now, BedsOnline does also allow you to add some type of supplemental administrative fee. So if you wanted to include some type of markup or something like that, you could do that. Okay. So let's just say we want to check out. We can also open up the cart. We can save this. So if maybe you want to come back later, but let's say we're going to do checkout. Okay, so this will hold the options that we selected for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, something like that. There was a little timer up on the top right-hand corner that just went away. But now this is going to give us a whole breakdown of this resort in a little bit more detail, right? So it's kind of bundled together, so you do kind of have to take your time in reading, all right? So you do have check-in time, you have checkout time, adults only, minimum check-in age. You do see that they have butler service for all guests. They have priority restaurant reservations, a mini bar. So there's a lot of information included here on the on the resort itself, okay? And the luxury collection. Remember, I said that this is a luxury resort, and they have what's called a luxury collection. So every single resort that BedsOnline has within the luxury collection is going to include all of these features. Okay. It does have specific instructions that you do have to email this email address with the booking number. Once you have that, once this is booked, and they will reply back to you and they'll let you know what's available. Okay. And then we have the ATV Extreme Adventure Park. And again, that's free cancellation up until September 9th. Okay. or midnight, I guess I should say. So then it has instructions. Okay. So again, this is very important information that you're going to want to pass on to your client. Okay. So now if we scroll down, let's say it does give you the opportunity here at checkout to also add on some additional components. So if you want to do transfers, if you want to add more experiences, if you want to actually now add on a car rental. Okay. And now we're going to do traveler information. Okay. So let's just say you're going to put all your clients' information here. Make sure that you're putting your email address. Okay. This is going to be linked with the reservation. Any changes, any cancellations or anything like that is going to come directly to you. Okay. And so if there are any requests for their stay, okay, maybe they're celebrating their honeymoon, or maybe they're going to be coming in late or something like that, or if there's anything in comments you want to do. Okay. And then same thing for the Extreme Adventure Park. It will tell you if there is any additional information that they need. So this in particular, they do need the name of the hotel for pickup purposes, and then also their phone number. Okay, so that way they can communicate directly with the guest, okay, or with the client, right? Agency reference. This is just something that this is like almost kind of like an internal, something that you will when you see this number or when you see this name, you know exactly what this reservation is for. So typically here, it is limited to 20 characters. So usually I will put the client's last name and maybe the destination if I have enough space. Okay. But that then at least allows me to easily pull up the reservation if I need to in the future. Okay. And now we have a full breakdown. So we have the total, the resort plus the commission, the activity plus the commission. Okay. And then again, it does give you the option to do another admin supplement. Now, when you get all the way to the bottom, it does give you the option. You can do a pay now or pay later. If we hit pay later, this is the due date. It tells you here, credit card, September 5th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Okay. So once you hit pay later, obviously you do have to fill out all of the mandatory fields in order to confirm it. It tells you how many points you're going to receive for their rewards program, but you will immediately receive an email with the confirmation number. Okay. And I will show you here. Let me get out from here and I will show you an actual reservation that is due to be paid. So we can do pending payment. You can search by booking date, check-in date, or cancellation. So this is going to be, let's hit search. It should be my reservation. Perfect. So my reservation. I have a reservation that I placed on hold for myself and my family for this upcoming November. And I then can see price details and commissions. I have free cancellation up until November 11th. Okay. Auto cancellation by November 10th. So if payment is not submitted by November 10th, they're going to auto cancel. Okay. If I want to see, let's say, for example, like once this is paid, I'll be able to have a hotel voucher, what it's called. It's not going to show me here, I don't believe. Let me see, documents, or it will actually. You have a receipt. I don't know that it will show because there we go, pending payment. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Pending payment for the receipt, or if you go to pro forma, if you scroll down, okay, the pro forma is going to be for you. The receipt is the client's, okay, because the pro forma will show commission, right? Agency commission, which in my case was $0. Okay. So if you do want to send a receipt over, you can send it by email. You can download it. I usually like to download it as a PDF and I will upload it in a separate email to my client, personalize it for them. Okay. So overall, this platform is very great to use. I like to use it for my own personal travels. I do also like to use it for, hotel only. So if maybe a client already has flights or something like that, this is a great resource to look at because I honestly, majority of the time, I find amazing prices on BedsOnline, and their flexibility, their book now, pay later options is very flexible for a lot of clients.